Hi students, let us learn exercise 6.2, which is very important, which is connected to exercise 6.3 also. There is nothing but you will be given a line equation here and you will be asked to shade that line. Very simple, x plus y less than 5. And there is a basic principle for all these problems. I will tell you how to do. When two variables are there, take a box, take values like this and 0, 0. So what are the values here? When y0, x will be 5. When x0, y will be 5. Just put 0, 0. Why? Because we draw these lines in intercept form. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 5. Okay. Now, when there is no is equal to symbol, we join these two. X is 5, y is 5 with dotted lines. With the ruler, with scale you have to do. Okay. Now, when there is equal to symbol, we draw a dark line. Now, which part is to be shaded? Whether the part towards the origin is to be shaded or part away from this line is to be shaded. For that reason, for that C, we have to check by substituting the values of 0, 0. Just substitute the values of 0, 0 in this line. 0 plus 0 is less than 5. Yes, it is true. Then when it is true, when you substitute 0, 0, then we shade towards origin like this. Like this. And away also, before also. In the same way, in the next question, they have given 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. Okay, let us see. Take a box x, y, 0, 0. When y is 0, x will be 3. When x is 0, y will be 6. So we need like this. X values from 0, 1, 2, 3. Y values from 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Since it is equal to symbol, take here 6. Equal to symbol is there. X3 and Y6, we draw a dark line. When there is no equal, we draw a dotted line. Now, which part is to be shaded? This part or that part? So, just substitute origin only here also. 0 plus 0 greater than or equal to 6. Is it true? No, it is not true. So, we have to shade away from the line where 0, 0 will not be there. This is the region. Okay, like this we do our third question. See the third question. 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. Take a box. X, y, 0, 0. When y is 0, x will be 4. When x is 0, y will be 3. Now let us take 0, 1. X is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And y is 3. 1, 2, 3. So you should draw a dark line from 4 to 3. And where to be shaded? Substitute 0, 0. 0 plus 0. 0 is less than or equal to 12. Yes, it is true. So you can shade towards origin. In the same way, fourth question. Y plus 8 greater than or equal to 2x. Now, you bring x 2x this side or you take y that side. Anything you can do. You bring 2x here, minus 2x plus y greater than or equal to minus 8. This doesn't look little good. So what we do, we multiply with minus. 2x minus y less than or equal to 8. When you multiply with minus, always we try to make the first one positive. Okay? The same process, don't worry. We take a box here. X, y, 0, 0. When y 0, x is 4. When x 0, y is minus 8. Okay. Let us substitute. So y value should be minus 8. So x will be 4. We take like this. I draw here. 1, 2. This is 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. and there is equal to symbol, we should draw dark line. So from 4 to minus 8. So let us substitute 0 0 anywhere in the equation. 0 plus 8 greater than or equal to 0. Is it true? Yes, 8 is greater than or equal to true. So 0 0 will be there. So we can shade towards 0 0, towards 0 0. Okay, like this. See the fifth problem, x minus y less than or equal to 2. Take a box, x y. When y is 0, x will be 2. When x is 0, y will be minus 2. So it should be 0, 1, 2, y will be minus 1, minus 2. And dark line, let us substitute 0, 0. Yes, 0, 0 is less than or equal to 2, 0 minus 0. It is true. So you can shade towards origin. Okay. Next, sixth one. 2x minus 3y greater than 6. Now, take a box as usual. Xy 0, 0. When y is 0, x will be 3. When x is 0, y will be minus 2. So, 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2. Let us join with a dotted line. Because there is no is equal to symbol. Okay. Now, substitute 0, 0. 0 plus minus 0 is greater than 6, which is false. So we have to shade away from 0. This part we have to shade other than 0. Okay, like this. Now see the seventh problem. Minus 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to minus 6. That means let us multiply with minus 3. It doesn't look good. 3x minus 2y less than or equal to 6. It looks good. So let us take a box. Xy 0, 0. When y 0, x is 2. When x 0, y is minus 3. Minus 1. 2 and minus 3, dark line. Let us substitute 0, 0. 0 minus 0 is less than or equal to 6. Yes, it is true. So you can draw like this. Okay. Now, see the eighth one. 3y minus 5x. Less than 30. It means minus 5x plus 3y less than 30. It doesn't look good. Let us multiply with minus 5x minus 3y greater than minus 30. Let us take a box. X, y 0, 0. When y is 0, x will be minus 6. When x is 0, y will be 10. So x minus 6 and y will be 10. 0, minus 6, no, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, y will be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These all things you have to draw in graph guys. Minus 6 and 10, and it should be dotted line. It should be dotted line because there is no is equal to symbol. And let us substitute origin. 0 is less than 30. Yes, it is true. So we can shade towards 0, 0. Okay. Okay, next look here, ninth one. Y less than minus 2. When only one variable is there, look here carefully. When y is equal to something, always look here carefully. Y is equal to k is always parallel to x axis. X equal to k always parallel to y axis. K means a constant, a number. So 1, 2, 0, minus 1, minus 2. So y and minus 2. You are not supposed to take box here. So y and minus 2 we write like that. Y equal to minus 2. First we draw y equal to minus 2. Now which part is to be shaded, either upper part or down part. Substitute 0. 0 less than minus 2. Is it right? No, it is not right. It is false because 0 is greater than minus 2. So we shade away from 0. This part. And the next question is, 10th question. X is greater than minus 3. So x equal to something is a vertical line. Vertical line parallel to y-axis. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. First we draw x equal to minus 3 is this. This is x equal to minus 3. Let us substitute 0. Does 0 satisfies 0, 0? That means x 0, y 0. 0 greater than minus 3. Yes, it is true. 0 is greater than minus 3. So we shade towards 0. This is the part. Next video I will upload for third exercise.